Hi folks, Glenn here. And yes indeed, check it out. The Nokia 3310 is back. Yep, after 17 years, you can enjoy this bad boy once again. And I've got my hands on one right here. So the 3310, this is a 3G phone. It's available online and at popular retailers, like Best Buy. Get it at Amazon. You can actually get one for under €50. In America, you can get it for $60 or so. A little more in Canada. So I'll show you the packaging. Kind of minimalist in package. I like it. Appealing. Good looking design. Specs on the back. So this phone comes with a 2-megapixel camera. It's a 3G device. The camera does have an LED flash. Comes preloaded. It shows here the apps Snake, so that fun little game from way back, and it has the Opera App Store. And they boast 6.5 hours of talk time, up to 27 days of standby time. So if it's just sitting on the shelf as a second phone, it'll last you almost a month. It takes a micro SD SIM card. And it also takes a micro SD memory card, supports up to 32 gigs. It has an FM radio, which I really like in a low-end, low-cost device. It's kind of handy. And let me see, it comes in 4 colors. So up here you can see orange. I got the blue. I think it comes in yellow and charcoal too. So let's open this thing up. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There's a neat little plastic flip case here. See if I can change hands. Oh, pardon me. All right, let's pull it out of here. So it's nice and small, and it's light too. So this thing will fit inside, fit in your pocket. I think it'll be I plan on using this as a travel device. So I'm going to keep a T-Mobile SIM in here, and this will be my device, emergency phone, while I'm in the U.S. And I also have my other smartphone that'll run on Wi-Fi. The back cover pops off, and that's where you put in the swappable battery and the cards. So it's a nice little gadget. Really comfortable. Gonna have to get back to a non-touch device, I guess, but I'm hearing from a lot of people that are actually wanting to kind of unplug a bit these days, so this could be a good solution, and it's cheap. So let's look into the box. Oops. Since this is an unboxing, I can get it out. Let's just see what's in here. A little tricky with one hand, I gotta apologize. So we have the standard plug, micro SB. Nice, like most Nokia phones. Comes with some nice earbuds, and those have a microphone in it too. Not bad for $50. We got a little paperwork, quick guide, and there's the battery. And that is one of the biggest things that I love about Nokia phones. I've been a user for about 20 years now. Just having an extra battery, you don't have to look for that plug to plug in and that. Just pull another battery out of your pocket, stick it in the phone. So there you have it. That is the 3G Nokia 3310. Yes, indeed, the icon is back. Thanks for watching, and you can follow me on Twitter at Gletham, Gletham, and I'd love to connect with you. Thanks, Nokia.